Hi everyone. So what is a Chapter 7 bankruptcy? Many people ask, what is a Chapter 7? What debts can I eliminate in a Chapter 7? Will I lose my property or assets? And how does it affect my credit? Chapter 7 bankruptcy is the most common type of bankruptcy filed in the U.S. by consumers. When I say consumers, I mean people like you and I. In a Chapter 7, you list all your assets and all your debts. A trustee is assigned to administer your case once it is filed. The trustee will then look at your assets and see if there is anything that can be used to pay those debts. We are very fortunate to live in Florida, which has some of the strongest protections for your assets. These are called exemptions. Many people have heard of the homestead exemption, which is used to protect your homestead while at the same time eliminating your debts. There are many more exemptions or protections that a bankruptcy attorney can discuss with you. Now let's talk about what kind of debts can be eliminated. Believe it or not, most debts can be discharged in a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. A discharge is a legal term that means that you are no longer obligated to those debts. The goal of a Chapter 7 is to get an order of discharge. Credit card debts, personal loans, medical bills, civil judgments, personal guarantees, vehicle repossession debts, those are types of debts that can be discharged. Believe it or not, in many cases where vehicles are repossessed or voluntarily surrendered, the creditor still wants more money. A Chapter 7 will take care of most debts, with the exception of child support, alimony, IRS, and student loans. But wait, there's a new program for student loans in Chapter 13, but that's a different topic. Now, how does bankruptcy affect my credit? Look, there's no sugarcoating it. Bankruptcy affects your credit, but it doesn't mean you cannot reestablish your credit again. The purpose of bankruptcy is to get a fresh start. It is to put away those debts, interest payments, and never-ending stress. We have seen that many of our clients start receiving credit offers in about a year or two since filing. Each case is different. How long does it take and how does the process work? A typical Chapter 7 bankruptcy takes about 90 days from start to finish. The process begins with the filing of the bankruptcy petition. That's a fancy term for your bankruptcy. Then you will be required to attend a meeting of creditors where your bankruptcy trustee will conduct an examination. A bankruptcy attorney can give you an idea as to what questions will be asked and what to expect. Your creditors are also allowed to attend and ask questions, but in most cases, they don't show up. Assuming everything goes well, then you have to wait approximately 60 days to receive your discharge from the court. Again, this is just a very quick overview of Chapter 7 bankruptcy in Florida, but feel free to contact our office for more information and watch our other videos.